In this video, we will learn common phrases that Americans use daily. Let's start.
Morning routine.
Are you awake?
Yes, I am awake now.
Is it time to get up?
Yes, it is time to get up.
Do you feel sleepy?
Yes, I still feel sleepy.
Can you wash your face?
Sure, I can wash my face.
Is the water cold?
Yes, the water is cold.
Do you have a toothbrush?
Yes, I have a toothbrush.
Can I use your toothpaste?
Sure, you can use my toothpaste.
Are you brushing your teeth?
Yes, I am brushing my teeth.
Do you look in the mirror?
Yes, I look in the mirror.
Can you comb your hair?
Sure, I can comb my hair.
Is your hair tidy now?
Yes, my hair is tidy.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, I feel much better.
Are you ready for the day?
Yes, I am ready for the day.
Do you want some water?
Yes, I want some water.
Is the morning routine finished?
Yes, the morning routine is finished. Having breakfast.
Are you hungry?
I am very hungry.
Do you want to have breakfast?
I really want to have breakfast.
Do you like bread?
I like bread very much.
Do you want some milk?
I want some warm milk.
Is the bread on the plate?
The bread is on the plate.
Do you want an egg?
I want one small egg.
Is the milk delicious?
The milk is warm and nice.
Do you eat slowly?
I eat slowly and carefully.
Are you full now?
I am full and happy.
Do you like this breakfast?
I love this nice breakfast.
Should we clean the table?
We can clean the table together.
Can I help you?
You can help me clean up.
Is the table clean now?
The table is clean and tidy.
Do you feel good now?
I feel good and energetic.
Do you want to go out later?
I want to go out later. Going shopping.
Do you want to go shopping?
I really want to go shopping.
Do you need any water?
I need 2 bottles of water.
Do you like this bread?
I like this soft bread.
Is the shop near our home?
The shop is near our home.
Can we walk there?
We can walk there together.
Do you have a bag?
I have a small black bag.
Do you want some fruit?
I want some fresh apples.
Are these apples good?
These apples are red and sweet.
Do you need any money?
I have enough money with me.
Can I help you carry things?
You can help me carry the bag.
Is the food cheap here?
The food is cheap and fresh.
Do you want to go inside?
I want to go inside the shop.
Are you happy today?
I am happy to go shopping.
Do you like this shop?
I like this clean and nice shop.
Can we go home now?
We can go home happily. Talking about weather.
Is it sunny today?
It is sunny today.
Is the weather warm?
The weather is warm.
Is it cold outside?
It is not cold outside.
Do you like sunny days?
I like sunny days very much.
Is the sky blue?
The sky is blue and clear.
Is it windy today?
It is not windy today.
Do you like nice weather?
I love nice and warm weather.
Can we go out today?
We can go out happily.
Is it hot today?
It is not hot today.
Do you feel comfortable?
I feel very comfortable.
Is the sun bright?
The sun is bright and warm.
Do you like this day?
I like this beautiful day.
Is the air fresh?
The air is fresh and clean.
Can we enjoy the day?
We can enjoy the nice day.
Is today a good day?
Today is a really good day. Weekend plan.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Great. No school and no work.
What's your plan?
I want to go to the park.
Can I go with you?
Sure. We can go together.
When do we go?
We can go at 9 o'clock.
What can we do there?
We can walk and take photos.
Do you have a camera?
Yes. I have a small camera.
What should we bring?
We can bring water and a bag.
The weather will be good.
Nice. It is sunny and warm.
It is perfect for the park.
I am excited for this trip.
I can't wait.
Me too. I love outdoor activities.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a nice morning.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
Have a nice dream.
Thank you. You too.
Let's enjoy the day.
Sure. It will be fun.
I am ready.
Me too. Let's go.